Hi folks, and welcome to this week's Modern Learning Tip of the Week. This week I'm going to be talking to you about a feature that you can use or sort of a way that you can use your Google Drive to go through some of the assignments that you've got handed in Google Classroom in a faster way to sort of see where students are in terms of the assignment and see if perhaps maybe they need some help. So I have set up an assignment here called My Goals in my Google Drive. I actually set it up in my Google Classroom, I should say, and I set it up so that, again, every student would get a copy, because as soon as I do that, it does create this folder in my ENG4U folder, and then I've got my Goals folder that's here. Now, I could double click on each of these files and have it open up as a new Google Doc. So if I do this, then you can see it's loading, it's going to take some time. But the other thing that I can do, and this is building on a previous tip that I've sent out, is I can actually take this file, come up to the eyeball here, and click on Preview. And then what I can do is I can see what is happening in terms of this particular student's assignment, and just click on the arrow over here to the right to go to the next one. And then I see the next student, and I can continue on to the next student, and I can just preview all of the different ones that are being done, and perhaps see maybe there are students who aren't done and some students who maybe need some help. So if again I've got some students who come up as blank, then that might mean that I've got to go back and talk to that student to say, hey, I've noticed that perhaps you need some help with this particular assignment. So using that preview and then just going next in Google Drive saves you the time of having to open up each individual Google Doc on its own, and hopefully will save you some time in the end. So hopefully you found this tip helpful. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next week.